Some security upgrades change how your home looks. Others change how it feels to leave and come back. The best ones do both, quietly and consistently. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we focus on practical products that earn trust through daily use. Today, we're reviewing the Ring Battery Doorbell, the newest model designed for homes and small businesses that want clear visibility, simple installation, and reliable awareness at the front door. This is a battery-powered video doorbell built for renters, homeowners, and business owners who want security without wiring or complicated setup. If you're looking for a fully hardwired system with advanced lighting or alarms, this may not be the right solution. But if you want fast installation, flexible placement, and dependable monitoring from your phone, this product is clearly relevant. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. The newest Ring Battery Doorbell introduces head-to-toe video, delivering significantly more vertical coverage than previous generations. That wider field of view helps capture packages, visitors, and activity that standard doorbells often miss, while still maintaining clear image quality. Reason number 1. A more complete view of your entryway. Head-to-toe video provides expanded vertical coverage, allowing you to see visitors from head level down to the ground. This makes it easier to identify deliveries, monitor movement, and review events with greater context and confidence. Reason number 2. Installation that removes friction. With a built-in rechargeable battery and USB-C charging, installation is straightforward. The doorbell detaches easily for charging, eliminating the need for wiring or professional help, which is especially valuable for renters or older properties. Reason number 3. Real-time connection when it matters. Live view and two-way talk allow you to see and speak to visitors directly from your phone. Whether you're answering the door remotely or addressing unexpected activity, communication feels immediate and controlled. Reason number 4. Alerts that support awareness, not noise. Motion detection sends real-time notifications to your phone, keeping you informed without constant monitoring. Optional smart alerts can distinguish people and packages, helping reduce unnecessary notifications over time. Reason number 5. A system that grows with your home. Integration with Alexa-enabled devices adds hands-free notifications and quick video access on Echo displays. Trusted by many of 5-star reviewers, the Ring ecosystem supports gradual expansion without forcing upgrades. Final verdict. The Ring Battery Doorbell does rely on periodic charging and requires a subscription for advanced video history and smart alerts. However, for users who value flexibility, visibility, and ease of use, it stands out as a balanced and approachable security solution. If you want a clear view, reliable alerts, and control without complexity, this doorbell is worth considering. Review the details through the link in the description, assess your needs carefully, and choose with confidence.